Hello everyone. I've got something really cool to show you today. Do you know how to turn a broken speaker into a generator? Let's do it together. Make sure to clean everything up before you start. Check the coil to see if it's broken. We're just taking one magnet from this speaker. Use screws and bolts, then secure it with glue. Wrap more copper wire to change the electric current. Scrape off the outer coating to improve conductivity. Place the magnet in to interact with the copper coil in the middle and create a strong magnetic field. Solder the power input and output connections. Use a 3-volt battery as the power source. Once the current flows through the coil, we'll get a 110-volt output. adding a switch will make it more convenient to use. Let's check out the results. Drop your thoughts in the comments below.
Thanks for watching all the way to the end. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like and hit subscribe to support the channel. See you in the next video.